Did you know that before Nitish Kumar was memified as Paltu Ram due to his shifting political allegiance?
ये पलटीबाज पलटू राम नीतीश
ये पलटू बाबू नीतीश कुमार जी
He was hailed as Sushasan Babu of the unruly Bihar. It was in the 1970s that a young Nitish Kumar, inspired by the stalwarts of Indian politics like Ram Lohia, JP Narayan and Karpoori Thakur, plunged into Bihar's unrest. He joined the Chhatra Sangharsh Samiti for JP Narayan's 1974 Sampoorna Kranti. Arrested during the emergency, he emerged resilient, contesting Harnaut in 1977 and winning in 1985 with Janata Dal alongside Lalu Yadav. However, the alliance with Lalu did not last long. In 1994, Nitish Kumar broke away and formed the Samata Party, determined to chart his own course. The party later emerged into Janata Dal United (JDU) in 2003. A man of socialist inclinations, Kumar, as the Union Railway Minister in 1998, introduced pragmatic reforms, including Tatkal and a digitized ticketing system. In the year 2000, he returned to his home state as Chief Minister. But his first term was short-lived. In 2005, he returned to power in alliance with the BJP and ended Lalu's 15 years of Jungle Raj. It was then that Bihar's GDP rose from 77,000 crore rupees in 2004-2005 to 4.01 lakh crore rupees in 2014 and 15. He added over 11,500 kilometers of road, doubling state's network, and upgraded thousands of schools, including higher secondary facilities in over 3,000 panchayats. And he appointed over 100,000 teachers. Key crimes like dacoity fell up to 80%, and for the first time in decades, people began to believe Bihar could change. But by his third term, anti-incumbency sentiments were strong among the people of Bihar, especially due to no land reforms, scant private investments, and unchecked migration. Multi-dimensional poverty in Bihar currently lingers at 26.59%, which is highest in India. Crimes rebounded. 4,736 riots, 2,930 murders in 2022 alone. Critics have long accused him of compromising his secular and socialist principles in a bid to stay in power, because the alliances kept changing. In 2013, JDU left the NDA over differences with BJP. In 2017, Nitish returned to the NDA alliance with the BJP. In 2022, he exited again to form the Mahagathbandhan. In 2024, he rejoined the NDA, taking his ninth oath as Chief Minister. JDU's vote share fell from 16.8% in 2019 Lok Sabha to 15.4% in 2020 Assembly. In the Assembly in 2022, the reformer lost his temper and became a viral soundbite meme overnight. He shouted at Tejasvi Yadav.
पहले से अरे तुम्हारे पिता को हम ही बनाए थे.
And to a woman MLA, he snapped.
अरे महिला हो, कुछ जानती नहीं हो. महिला को अरे अरे बोल रही है. कहां से आते? इन लोगों के साथ जो है ये लोग कोई महिला को आगे बढ़ाया था.
He apologized the next day, but the clip never disappeared. In 2023, at least 5 new bridges collapsed into the rivers. The 2024 CAG report revealed that 44,823 crore rupee deficit and a public debt of over 39.6% of the GSDP. Per capita income remained at lowest in India at 60,180 rupees. Exam paper leaks, peak unemployment, shifty political alliances, and crumbling infrastructure now mark Nitish Kumar's journey from Sushasan Babu to Paltu Ram of Indian politics. As the Bihar Assembly elections approach, Nitish Kumar faces scrutiny over his decade-long tenure as Chief Minister. With JDU's vote share falling and his growing unpopularity amongst the dissatisfied youth of the state, can he really reclaim his reformer image, or will NDA's dominance eclipse him? Comment and share your opinions on the same. Stay tuned to Outlook India.